Welcome to Deutsch, Liebe. Today, we would be understanding the most basic and important verbs in German language. So let's begin. The first verb is machen, to do. Ich mache, I do. Du machst, you do, which is an informal way of addressing to someone, and singular. Es, sie macht. He, she, it does. Wir machen, we do. Ihr macht, you do, which is again informal but is used to address more than one person. Sie machen, you do, which is a formal way of addressing someone. Wohnen, to stay. Ich wohne, I stay. Du wohnst, you stay. Es, sie wohnt. He, she, it stays. Wir wohnen, we stay. Ihr wohnt, you stay. Sie wohnen, you stay. Let us take an example. Ich wohne in Berlin. I stay in Berlin. Trinken, to drink. Ich trinke, I drink. Du trinkst, you drink. Es, sie trinkt. He, she, it drinks. Wir trinken, we drink. Ihr trinkt, you drink. Sie trinken, you drink. Let us take an example. Du trinkst Kaffee. You drink coffee. Verstehe, to understand. Ich verstehe, I understand. Du verstehst, you understand. Es, sie versteht. He, she, it understands. Wir verstehen, we understand. Ihr versteht, you understand. And sie verstehen, you understand. Let us take an example. Wir verstehen Deutsch. We understand German. These were some basic verbs used in German language. More verbs would be covered in the next session. Until then, keep practicing.